So you've got this amazing idea that's going to make you the next Bill Gates. But every investor you pitch to fails to understand why your big idea is so unique. You try to explain all the important details, but their eyes just glaze over. Here's the thing. The instant you start talking to an investor or customer, their inner stopwatch starts ticking. And you've got 90 seconds max before they completely write you off. Is there some magic way around this mental roadblock? You better believe there is, because you're watching it right now. It's called a Powtoon, a simple, super engaging way to keep investors and customers' attention throughout your entire pitch. Powtoons translate your pitches into dynamic, short animations that easily connect with your audience, showing them exactly why your business deserves their attention and their money. And if they want further proof that you're a savvy business owner, just let them know you created an incredible video pitch for 2% of the cost it would have run you to outsource to a professional animator or studio. So sign up today and bring out the awesomeness in your business.
Created using Powtoon.